Hey friends, welcome to winter in Colorado, where we really try to have lots of firewood on hand for our indoor fires, for our outdoor fire pit, just to really enjoy the season. There's nothing like a really good fire, which means we have to chop some wood. And this is the perfect tool for us to use today. This is a Lexivon V28s. It's an axe, it's meant for log splitting. We're gonna show you a closer look at this guy, and we're gonna give it a quick test today to see how she performs. Now let's take a closer look at the axe itself. So this again is the V28s, which means it has a 28-inch handle. And again, this is gonna be your medium size blade and axe, great for splitting wood. Again, if you need something smaller, they make this in a hatchet size, as well as a larger splitting axe that you can buy in the larger size. Again, this is that medium version, the V28s. Now it's got a really well balanced handle. Up at the top, we have a 3.8 pound head. It also comes with this really nice protective plastic casing up here at the top that protects you from the blade, because it is sharp just right out of the box. So there's this little locking mechanism. You actually break off this tab, and this allows you to push it down, and then the blade will slide out of that protective case. And there we go. We can get a closer look at that handle and the blade. And again, as you can see, it's just a really nice solid piece here. Again, the blade tip is really sharp right out of the box, so definitely be careful, especially with these sharp corners. All right, so let's go ahead and give this guy a trial run here. I've got a log here that needs to be split. It's fairly dry, so this should be fairly easy. Again, with these dry logs, things split really well. If you have something that's wet, maybe it's just been cut, those things can actually take a lot of energy and time to cut. All right, now again, you can see how dry this wood was, but that was like absolute butter splitting into those logs. All right, let's give this a try with something a little more dry, a little more dense to see how it does. This is gonna be a challenge, but let's see if it can actually get some good splitting in. Whoo! Look at that. So there you go, friends. That is the V28s. It's made by Lexivon. It's a really nice little wood splitting tool. Go pick one up for yourself. You can find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below. Stay tuned. We got a bunch more tool videos for you. We'll show you how they work, give it our quick review, and let you know if they're recommended from us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.